Welcome to Frankensight, and our YouTube channel, Ask Frank 15. Today, we're going to do an introduction to setting up Python virtual environments. So, the first thing we're going to do is install pip. And before that, let's talk about what we're running. So, the date is August 11th, 2016. I am running Ubuntu 16. Okay, so let's install pip. So apt-get install Python pip. Okay, it's already installed. Now let's install virtual env using pip. So pip install virtual env. Okay, we have virtual env. Now what we're going to do is create a test directory and make that a virtual environment. So make dir test me. All right. So virtual env is our command to create the virtual environment out of this directory. So look at what we have. Okay, so now we're in the virtual environment we've created. Now we have to start it. So we have to activate it. So source and then bin directory and then activate inside of that. Okay. So we are now test me. Okay, so what do we want to do now? Let's install something for fun as a test. All right. So how about pip install. Okay, now we have LXML in this, and let's verify all that's working. Okay, so what is requirements.txt? Uh, well, when we set up this virtual environment, uh, the whole point is to isolate resources. So if I don't want to install LXML in the greater world of the VM, I just want to have it isolated in this virtual environment. So if I don't want it, I can just delete it. I can delete the whole directory. Uh, requirements.txt is great because I can freeze what pip is installed in this virtual environment and carry it over to another project and very quickly install those requirements from the requirements file. So let's do that. Okay, let's deactivate. So we're not test me anymore, and we're not in the test me project. Let's start a new one. Test env. Okay, make it a virtual environment. Let's go into it. Let's activate it. Okay, we're now test env. So now let's get requirements.txt from the old project and put it in the new one. So in test env, we now have requirements.txt from the old project. Now let's install it using pip. Okay, so what we've done here is we've looked at installing dependencies for creating a Python virtual environment. Then we created one and we installed LXML in that. Then we took the requirements for that project, moved it to a new project, and then used pip to install those requirements quickly using the requirements file.